Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients that we have here today. And before I do that, just to let you know, all of the amounts are going to be in the text below. So we've got tomatoes here, chopped, onion, hard-boiled eggs, coconut milk, curry leaves. If you can get them, fantastic. If not, don't worry. Cumin seeds. Then what I always call the big four. Let's have a look at that. Equal parts of coriander, chili, turmeric, and cumin. 1 tablespoon, heaped tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, and some fresh chili. The amount of that is completely up to you. Let's get this started with some oil. Of course, we're going to add some salt and maybe a little bit of garam masala powder. So we've got our pan or wok, whatever you want to use. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, just heating that up, and I'm going to drop in those cumin seeds. Just let them do their thing in that oil. Now we're going to drop in these fresh curry leaves. They can be very noisy sometimes. Not too bad at all today. And like I say, if you can get fresh curry leaves, fantastic. If not, you can get them dried as well. Try and get them dried. I mean, depending on where you live. Where I live, I can get these no problem. Okay, time for our onion. In that goes. I'm now going to add some salt. And we're going to let this go. We're on an above medium heat. Not full blast, but fairly lively. We're going to go for about 3 or 4 minutes. There we go, 3 or 4 minutes. Coming together really nicely. We're now going to add in our garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. If you don't have that, you can just chop some garlic and ginger, but we use this all the time here at How to Cook Great. So I'm going to add our powders. Let's just take one more look. Equal parts coriander, cumin, chili, turmeric. In that goes. It's all going to happen right now. Everything's happening right now. We're then going to add in our fresh chili. Up to you how much you want to put in. And then we're going to go for our fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy tomato, because we really want these to break down and create most of our masala. Okay, we're going to cook this. I'm going to put a lid on this, and we're going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then take a look. We're hoping that, like I say, we get a lot of liquid out of this and the tomatoes disintegrate. See you in about 5 or 6. Okay, off comes the lid. And as you can see, that's really broken down and given off quite a bit of moisture. That's enough moisture for me. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop in our hard-boiled eggs. In they go. And I'm going to add now some coconut milk. Just going to grab some garam masala powder here. Nice pinch of that in there. Maybe half a teaspoon there. Let's give this a mix. Lid's going to go back on. I'm going to go to a nice low heat now. And that's going to go for about another 6 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, out goes the steam. And there we go, we've got a really beautiful egg curry there. Really, really delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.